Tributes are pouring in worldwide today following the death of Henry Kissinger. He passed away at his Connecticut home late last night. Kissinger leaves behind a legacy spanning decades in American foreign policy. CNN's John Lorinc has more.
I have never dealt with a group of people as treacherous as the North Vietnamese leadership.
Henry Kissinger once said, "Power is the ultimate aphrodisiac." And he would have known. After escaping Nazi Germany in his childhood, Kissinger would become one of the most powerful figures in politics during the Richard Nixon administration.
Kissinger provided a genius for playing multi-level diplomatic chess, which allowed the U.S. government and the Nixon administration to implement Nixon's policies, the most famous of which, of course, was the opening to China.
Kissinger was criticized by some for his decision to increase U.S. military action during the Vietnam War.
I would then recommend that we start farming the retrievers out of them within 48 hours.
Kissinger received the 1973 Nobel Peace Prize for his work in helping arrange the end of the U.S. military's involvement in the Vietnam War.
Henry Kissinger was a towering figure in U.S. foreign relations, both admired and hated.
Kissinger was 100 years old.